Welcome to day 7 of reading my secret letters. Come, let's have fun. I remember when you asked me, what is loyalty? And I sat there in silence with no answer to prefer. But darling, I know now. I know now what that word shrouded in uncertainty means. Loyalty is the trait that stands for decades, eagerly awaiting the arrival of each generation of sparrow every season, being their refuge and support, their symbol of eternity in both rain and storm. Loyalty is the waves that crash against the rocks, morning and night, never ceasing, never complaining. And if you ask me again, I will tell you that loyalty is the rising of the sun in the east every morning and it's falling in the west every evening. And when it feels to make bold his face, you know his presence will shine through the clouds, defiant in the face of obstacles, the quest to brighten up your day. To be loyal is to come true, come rain or sunshine.